guys are putting the wing back on. We're gonna go out in a wingless car. Well, actually, you already know it. We already done a lap. We came back already. Teaser in one piece. So it's a Toyota MR2. Would you like to tell me a bit more about the car? Well, we're yeah. Sorry for interrupting your conversation, but yeah.
So it's a 2002 MR2 UK spec. Paid £1,400 for it.
Wow.
Yeah. Cheap.
How much are they worth now?
£1,400.
Okay.
Okay. It's got a most important thing. It's got a 2ZZ engine from Celica, Corolla T Sports or Lotus Exige.
So I'm not sure I've done the 2ZZ yet. Only one ZZ, I think. Did I? I don't know. You know it better than I do, actually. Yeah, well, we'll figure it out. Anyway, yeah.
Yeah, just basic stuff. Wheels, Carbotech pads, fluids, lines, time suspension with EDFC, some braces.
TRD, Toyota Racing Division. 10 adjustable coilovers, yeah, from the inside. We put them on the stiffest possible setting. It was still a bit soft. Wasn't stiff enough, but still. Yokohama AD08 RS on the front and on the rear. Same. Good. Yeah, so it's not the favorite tire of mine, so it's a bit like slippy, but yeah, for this kind of power it was okay. But at the same time, for this kind of chassis, you want to have something more grippy. But overall, it's good fun, actually. Yeah. Is there anything to look at on the bonnet? Yeah, if we can see the VVTi 190. That's the amount of horsepower. Originally.
Originally. Yeah. It's probably 20 or so less now.
Yeah.
So, yeah, there's not much to see, really. I put this C1 strut brace on. I got it from Japan a few months ago.
Is it a lightweight battery, or is it?
No, it's the standard size battery. Okay. Yeah. Here's the EDFC here, and a TRD exhaust, which I managed to get from Japan as well.
Sounded good. Sounded nice.
Yeah, not too loud. And yeah, it was nice. Yeah.
Very good.
Just a good fun little go-kart.
Yeah, it's amazing. I liked it. No, very good fun car. Always love those MR2s, and yeah, on the inside not much. Yeah, so we have the steering wheel. We have. Are the seats stock? Or?
No, they're DC2 ITR seats. I imported again the subframe from Japan, some genuine aero subframe.
Nice. Very cool. No, very nice. Well, thank you very much for making this happen.
Thank you very much.
It's been quite some months in development to make this happen. We made it happen, so hope you guys enjoy.
Thank you.
Alrighty. So, we made it to the track. Yeah, we're on the track.
Are these going?
Sorry?
Are these going?
Yeah, they're running. I'm pretty sure they are.
Oh no, yeah. I'm just.
Yeah, no, I always have the screen up to save the battery. Yeah.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
All the way?
Yeah, please.
Oh, yeah. So from 6 to 8, 4.
Okay.
Wait.
Now.
But it sounds
Nice.
like a touring car. Brakes will need some heat, as will the tyres.
Okay.
Especially the rear tyres. Now I'm going to shut up. go, 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 go. You can be really sure we're fourth to fifth. Yes. slip, perhaps?
Yeah, maybe it can be a bit more like dancing.
Yeah.
Could, but the first thing is you need two. I mean, you need 4 same tires.
Yes.
Because then you know exactly how the front and back will react.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, but for the rest, it's still a bit soft on the suspension.
It is. Yeah, yeah. It's on quite a street-oriented suspension.
Yeah.
So yeah, they're. It's not. It's nothing. This is a dual. Like this is a car with duality, so it has like I drive on the road and
of course,
circuit.
of course.
So
but it works nicely.
it's a good compromise. The best compromise I could make.
Yeah, of course. Well, it's very nice. I enjoyed. It was good fun.
Yeah, it's nice. It's got a nice balance. I think. It's
Absolutely.
not too much power, not too much braking.
Yeah.
That's what I've tried to build a car I can enjoy on the road. Because we have fantastic roads in Scotland.
Definitely.
So
No, I liked it.
yeah,
Very good.
good fun car. Good. I'm glad you liked it. I thought it might be your thing. It's like, see what I mean about a B17?
Yeah.
It's kind of in the middle.
It is.
It's got more go than a B16, but it doesn't have as like a B18.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's good. I mean, it's never gone wrong. I've done 40,000 miles in it.
Nice.
The only thing that's gone wrong is one fuse, not even a bulb.
Oh, nice.
And I've probably done 7,000 or 8,000 miles on track, I'd say, in it. So just had a hard life.
Yeah. Keeps going it.
Yeah. Oof. Tell you what.
It's a bit hot, huh?
Yeah. Do you want your window?
Yeah, please.
That lap was so different to my laps, and like I mean that as a compliment, genuinely. That the speed, and I know how much the speed this car can carry. I've had it a long time, but on this circuit, carrying that kind of speed, your apex minimum speed.
Yeah.
My God, it's so much higher than I would commit to. It's really, really impressive.
Yeah.
Wow.
Glad you enjoyed.
Thanks. That was really, really a good fun lap. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I appreciate you driving the car.
Yeah, I had also good fun.
Yeah, and it's nice to have it confirmed that, like, I think I built quite a good car. I've had it 13 years. I've tried to refine it. Yeah, I've owned it twice actually.
Yeah.
But I've just spent 13 years kind of getting it to how, like, a nicely balanced, fun car that doesn't. I mean, I put what's the fuel on?
Less than half, slightly less than half.
So it's used half a tank all day. Doesn't use tyres, doesn't use brakes. Just a good fun car.
Very cool. Very, very nice. Well, thanks for this lap.
Hey,
I enjoyed
thank you. I enjoyed it. I'm glad that's the point of this car. It's a fun car. So yeah, glad you enjoyed it. I very much did as well.
Very good.
I did get slightly sweaty hands at one point. It's a bit weird being sat in the passenger seat with someone else driving your car.
Yeah.
That you know so well, you know. So that's cool. It's a new experience for me as well.
Yeah.